Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today, and thank you for joining me in Pootles Advent Countdown. We're on to number 7, and today I've got the Tag Buffet Tag Buffet kit. Anyway, this is what I gave to all of my customers who shopped with me. Not the whole kit, I gave them other goodies and treats and things, but I did give them one of each of the different tags that we can make in this kit. So I usually send a handmade card along with all of the treats and goodies that I put in. But this time round, I decided I was going to put a tag in for everybody. I've had quite a few questions, so I thought I'll put it together and I'll send everybody one, so they can see the size of them. So this is what you get as the kit. So this is what comes with it, and then this is an additional optional extra. And I didn't stamp anything because we're not allowed to send stamped images or stamped words or anything out in the post, but I left them blank so that everybody could make their own or put their own greeting on it. So obviously it comes with a lovely box. That would make a nice gift box afterwards. And we've got all of the die cut shapes here. Do you know what, shall I do it this way? So we've got the tags, and you can make, I think it's 30 in total, lots. I'm sure it's 30 because I ordered 5 kits and then I had this one left over. So we've got the tag fronts, which are these ones here. So we've got different designs. That's one design, and that's another design, and then that's got a little cutout piece as well. So that's another design for the front. And then the different die cut panels for the back, or for the main body of the tag. So there's those ones. You know what, I might layer this up a bit like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. And then you've got the die cut panels that go over the top. So we've got all of our trees, and that's for stamping on, so I'll put that to one side. Then those are 2 more, and then we've got 3 on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop out one for each of them, and it comes with full instructions so you know what you're doing with all of them. So there's all my images. So let's go for green one, number 1, which is this one, and it has a star, and it has, where have I just put it? It has a stocking, and I'll do the tag in a minute. So that's number 1. Let's pop that there. And then the next one is the gold spots. That also has a star, and that has the big pile of presents on it, which is my next one. My next one is this one, and that has this pattern on it, and it has the ball. And then next one is this one. I'm looking at it, you can't see it, it's just there, I can just see it. And that has this shape on it, and it has the cardinal. So cardinals aren't a traditional Christmas bird for us Brits. That would be a robin. But they're still pretty nevertheless. This one, can you see all of this beautiful gold foiling on there? That's lovely. And that has this shape on it, and a Christmas tree. Now when I opened this, I thought, and I still think I might have been given too many Christmas trees, because I've got more than enough. So I'm going to pop one of those out, and then the last one is this one here, which has got that shape, and then this pattern on it. Oh, children running down. I didn't warn them I was filming. What did I just do with all my tags? Where did I put those? I'm not sure. Carefully put them somewhere. So careful, I now can't find them. Oh, they're here. They're under my stockings on the left. So I don't need those anymore. So if I scooch these up here for now. So like I say, there's all of the instructions on here. So I need a big tag for the one with the stocking on. I need a big tag for the one with the cardinal. Oh, look, I'm popping 2 out at a time. I need a long, thin one for the for the Christmas presents and for the bauble, which means that those 2 are for the Christmas tree and for this one with a sprig. Right, so what colours are being used in here? Oh, I might need to get my catalogue out to have a look at what colours. So I'm going to use the stamp set that comes with it. So it's right at the front of the catalogue-ish. So what colours have been used? Garden green, real red, shaded spruce. There we go. Garden green, shaded spruce and real red. So let's get my stamp set out. And what are the words that are used? So we've got, oh, it's photopolymer. Oh, bravo. So I've got 'Tis the Season. And I've got that twice. And I've got Merry Christmas twice. And the last one is With Love for You twice. Okay, so the big long Merry Christmas. Let's get the big block for that one. And that one's in garden green. And that goes on these long ones. And oh, one there. And you can mix them actually, you don't have to do it like this. I'm literally copying what it shows, and what I sent out to everybody was the right elements to create one of them. So that's a Merry Christmas on there in garden green, and then I want 'Tis the Season in shaded spruce, and that goes on this little fat one. And another one over here for the cardinal. I have a question for anybody in Australia and the South Pacific. So I was chatting to Mum the other day, and we were talking about robins and cardinals, and you know, I was saying that the cardinal isn't, well, obviously she knows, being British as well, she knows that it's not a traditional bird, but that we do have one in the catalogue. You know, from this set, and we've previously had it. And she said, oh, do they not have robins over there? And I said, no, I don't think so. I said, I think they have a kind of robin, but it's not like ours. So I Googled it and I couldn't find, you know, I Googled American and I went, oh, maybe it's the Australians. So I Googled Australian robin. Your robins have got bright pink chests. Are they real? Or was I looking at something on Google that's not real? I couldn't believe, I was looking at it going, are they real? Are they fake? I don't know. Oh, so yeah, lovely folk in Australia. Are those real or not? So seriously, anybody in the UK or anybody not in Australia, feel free to Google Australian robin, and you'll find one with a bright pink chest. I mean, proper magenta madness chest. We're not talking like dusky pink. We're talking bright pink. Okay, so this kit... Did it come with dimensionals? I don't think it did. I think you need to provide your own glue. That's okay, I can do that. I can sell it to you as well. You can buy glue from me. So I'm just kind of following what the picture says. Okay. So that's the first one. I didn't divide this down. I thought if I try and divide this down by 30 people, I'll be here all year. So along with not supplying a stamped image, I also didn't supply twine. Aren't I horrible? But no, I didn't send that. I just thought trying to cut one spool of ribbon into 30 pieces was just going to be a nightmare. And then to do it 5 or 6 times over for everybody. Also, you know, I just thought I'm going to end up in a tangled mess. So it doesn't appear as though you glue on the outer layer. You just let it hang. I quite like that. That's good fun, isn't it? Right, let me try and put these together quickly. because we're going to be here all year. So I can't remember what day of the week we're on now, but we're on number 7 of the Advent Countdown. That means we're still inside September, so we've still got our amazing recruiting offer going on. It's £99 to join, £130 worth of products that you get to keep, you get to choose. In euros, it's 129 to join, and you choose 175 euros worth of product, and there's lots of free extras on top. We've got 2 stamp sets, we've got a packet of rhinestones, and we've got pre-cut, ready-made card kits for you. And that's all part of the offer as well. We've also got the new cut and emboss machine is out and available. You can get it now, which I'm very happy about. So yeah, lots going on. This is a nice kit. I don't buy kits very often. I think kits are brilliant for new stampers, new crafters. They're brilliant as a gift for somebody who is a crafter. And at which position? Is that how he goes? But they're also very good for you if you take, if you go off on holiday or anything like that. Now, when I go on holiday, normally I don't take anything with me, and certainly obviously kind of nobody's going on holiday right now, are they? But I'm really pleased with this one. I saw it and fancied it straight away anyway, and then when I opened it I thought that's going to be brilliant for everybody. So I then went and bought, like I say, 5 more to divide them up, and the rest of this set will go as well. But I might have to buy another one just for me, because these are going to make great tags. I've got multiple children, but I've also got my mum, my dad, I've got nieces, nephews, siblings, all sorts, lots of family folk. So these are going to be brilliant for tagging up those. Every year I share a tutorial on how to make tags and how to avoid doing it at the last minute, and every year I find myself at the last minute going, I haven't got enough tags. Anybody else like that? No excuses this year. Oh, is the cat coming? Oh, I thought I'd got away with it. Can you hear her? She's stepping so carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is like old gold. It's not lame at all. It's definitely the old gold style gold. Oh no, she's she's looking and she's going, I can't step any further because I'll stand on your stuff, Mum. Just going to pop those through. At this point, I'm just suddenly thinking, how am I going to photograph all of these? I might hang them on my card display. I don't know if I've brought it into a video yet. I wonder if it's accessible for me to get and bring in. But it is in the catalogue. It's absolutely brilliant. It's a lot bigger than you think it's going to be. And definitely a great one if you run out of space to display cards. Obviously I get lots and lots of the most beautiful handmade cards sent to me, and I run out of space for them, and I hate the fact that they kind of have to fight for space on my, well, I don't even have a mantelpiece in this house, but I put them on my sideboard in my lounge, and I hate that they have to jostle for position and some can't be seen. So yeah, let me grab the card display. I don't know how well you're going to see it, but it's pretty huge. So that's one half of it, that's the width, and it's crazy tall. I'll try and get it all into a photograph, but yeah, I think I might photograph them on that. But yeah, there's all my 6. What do you think? They're really nice, and I hope everybody who received one has liked it. All you need to do is just stamp a greeting on it, and I think they're lovely. And there's a place to write. You can write the name there, or you can write there. Just lovely. And just attach it to your project, or to your gift. Love it. Oh, look, it's nearly 15 minutes of me chattering away. Thank you ever so much, everybody, for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon, and I'll see you back here tomorrow for another project. Bye.